Hi folks, this little video is to show you how to log into a Nearpod presentation, and once you're in there, how to then log into a Flipgrid video making program for an activity. So you go up on top and you type in join.nearpod.com, and once that takes you into the Nearpod site, you type in the code. Moradina, what's the code?
I
N
Z
Z
H
H
G.
G. So I'm going here to join Moradina's program. Ooh, here I am, and this is the name that I'd like to be at. I'm using my real name, and then I join the session. And this is the session. This is the book that we are learning. Moradina, can you take us through until the screen of the Nearpod of the Flipgrid?
You have a question.
Okay, we'll keep going. And what is this? So now Flipgrid. Now I want to make a Flipgrid. First of all, I see the question, and I see that there are already some responses. And now I want to give a response, so I'm clicking. But in order to be able to get in there, I'm going to log in with Google. In fact, I probably should have clicked on Remember Me so that it'll be easier next time, but then I wouldn't be able to make this video. So then I'm going to choose my SAR email. It says Login Successful. And here I am in front of Flipgrid. And when I click on the microphone here, I'll be able to make a response. I'm going to make a quick response. That's all, folks. And now I have done that. And next, click on next.
That's all, folks.
So that's exactly my true character.
That's all, folks.
Okay, now I want to go to next. I'm going to take a picture of my true self to go with that response. And that finally, now I can submit the video, and that way I can give it a name and so forth, but you don't have to. So I'm submitting it, and it's already done. Hopefully that will show you how to do the things you need to for our lesson. Complete. And now my response should be in here too. I can't see it yet, but hopefully you will be able to see it when you go in.